Do you want to be able to use Stockfish on chess.com? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to use it, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I'm going to do first is to go into Google, and then I'm going to search for chess.com, as you can see. So when you have searched for it, then you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. Now what I'm going to do in here is to just select this first result in here, as you can see. So I'm just going to select this one right here. And as you can see, I'm now taken to this page right here, which is great. What you need to do right now, actually, to make this work is to either click on sign up if you don't already have an account, but if you do have an account on chess.com, then perfect. What you need to do is to click where it says log in. So I'm just going to click on log in right here, as you can see. And as you can see, you can log in with your username or email. And of course, you need to write your password in here. But what you can also do if you have an account with, for example, Apple, Google, or Facebook, and you used one of these accounts to create your chess.com account, well, then perfect. You can just click on either one of those. And I'm going to do so right now because I actually do have like an account on like chess.com. So I'm going to log into my account right now. So just a second. And as you can see, I'm now logged into my account on chess.com, which is great. So as you can see, I'm currently taken to this page right here. So in here, what I'm going to do firstly is to actually make sure that I have completed games in here, as you can see. So for this to work, you need to have at least one completed games, just so you know. And that means that you have played against another opponent at least one time on chess.com. And I have done so, as you can see. So basically what you need to do after that is to just scroll down in here, and in here you will be able to get like a review button. I don't really have a review button right here, but it doesn't really matter. But you should have one review button in here if you haven't already clicked on it before. But I have actually clicked on it before one time. But as you can see, I am actually able to click here and be able to take into this page right here where it says review. So it's great. What I'm going to do in here is to actually click where it says analysis in here, as you can see. So I'm going to click on analysis. And after that, as you can see, I'm now taken here, which is great. What you need to do in here is to click on this settings wheel right here. Firstly, so click on the settings wheel. And in here, you need to actually make sure that you come to this page, and then chess engine in here, as you can see. Make sure that you have this one or this one enabled in here, not Komodo and not engine off, just so you know. So you need to make sure that you have either this one or this one. So basically, in here, you will be able to find your stockfish. So basically, this is exactly how to use stockfish on chess.com. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.